We're going to talk about patterns in Silhouette Studio. I like Silhouette Studio using patterns in it. First, I'm going to go to my library, and you'll see here I have patterns in the cloud already. I'm going to skip through this little message. And if you select this folder that says patterns, you'll see the ones that I've uploaded myself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in another one, a glitter one. Go ahead and grab this purple and this gold too. And I'm just going to drag it. Come and add it in here. Just drag and drop it over here. And Silhouette will upload them for me. Awesome. So now they're uploaded at 100%. You see them come in. I'm just going to go back to my design, my canvas. And I'm going to type out my name on my map. Okay, so I grab my text tool, come over here, I type my name out. Ooh, if I could type, my hands aren't right. Have my hands all not on QWERTY. Type my name out, and let's go ahead and make this a little bigger. Awesome. So in order to fill this, I'm just going to grab my fill, and I'm going to go to patterns, and you'll see your patterns panel come up here with your options. Let's go with the purple glitter. There it is. And I'm going to change my line color just so that it blends a little better. I don't see it as bad. Make that black. There we go. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see this. But it's just that simple. So if you're doing like a party favor in Silhouette or a print and cut item, this is really cool for you to get the glitter text. And if you come back over to fill, I'm using business edition. You'll see advanced options if you have business and designer, I believe, and you can scale it here. You could just kind of mess with it and angle it different, rotate the pattern, and have some options for yourself. So you can apply these patterns to if you're doing a print and cut, and if you're doing maybe like a larger than a matte project and you want to make somebody's hair glitter and you're doing it as a print and cut instead of using cardstock, or if you want to make a shape and do a print and cut. So this is really great when you're doing print and cut, so that way you don't have to use actual glitter cardstock. In case you're in a pinch or you just want a different look and to be flat and you don't want to cut all the cardstock. So hope this quick tutorial helped, and let me know if you have any questions.